Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Use Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of your Cash App account. To log out of your Cash App account is super easy. First of all, open up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in cash.app and make sure that you're inside the main homepage for Cash App. Once you're logged into your Cash App account, you will notice you are inside the account activity page. Go to the bottom left and click on the Logout button and confirm login out of Cash App by clicking on Logout once again. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your Cash App account immediately. So that is how you can easily sign out or log out of Cash App. You will then be redirected to the login page. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.